GRL Engineers offer dynamic load testing services for drilled shafts, bored piles, augured cast-in-place piles, helical piles, and previously driven piles. These tests are performed to assess the mobilized geotechnical resistance and its approximate distribution along the length of the pile. The Apple load testing system includes a modular ram, guide frame, and a release mechanism. Each system can be assembled on-site by the contractor prior to testing. Apple modular weights come in various sizes to accommodate each project's foundation testing needs, with weights ranging in size from 1 to 80 tons. Apple tests can be conducted in locations with limited space where traditional static load tests would not be suitable. GRL Engineers analyze the data from the load tests and create a final report that summarizes the findings. The results can be compared to design specifications to determine how much of the deep foundation's capacity or nominal geotechnical resistance the test mobilized. GRL Engineers is headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, and has 14 offices throughout the United States. For more information, visit grlengineers.com or contact us at info@grlengineers.com.